these technologies are undermining structures, processes, operations that we've relied on really since we started using computers and the internet. They're structures not designed to cope with this kind of manipulation. We need a reshaping and a regrounding of our digital trust infrastructure for the synthetic age.
I think the way the organizations are now evaluating the trust and security has changed fundamentally because of AI and technologies like deepfake. No longer easy to trust what someone is submitting to you as a document. It's no longer easy to trust even seeing someone's face.
Deepfakes definitely are now accessible to almost anyone. You can readily create a deepfake online for a few dollars.
I would like every business leader here today to remember is just how important is trust in this era of AI.
I think one thing that's been really great to see this evening is that people are starting to wake up to this. And this is about momentum. This is about enough people understanding what's going on.
One thing that I think is missing at the moment is that different institutions are not talking to each other.
Bring people together, not talking about products, not talking about solutions, but talking about what do we have in common. The only way how we can bring this to an end is when we work together.
There is nothing in the world which don't create opportunity and a risk together. AI is no different. We are all busy in our day jobs. The value comes when you hear a different perspective, and such events make them happen.